Okay, so looking at number 2, this is what I have. I started by going up 5, so I put a point up 5, and then I went up 2 and over 3 for my second point. And then over here, this was a negative 2 at the end, so I went down 2, and then up 6 and over 7 for that second point there. Okay, so that is my line for 2 and 3. Next I want to look at number 4, and numbers 4, 5, and 6 all have a negative slope. So I want to look at that real quick. So that's the only other thing that could happen here. Alright, let's check this out. So for number 4 here, I have y equals negative 2 sevenths x plus 4. This starts the exact same way. Go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the fact that this number right here, let me just set my pencil down there. The fact that this number is negative means that, well, basically that we're losing money. We're going down over time. So we're going to have a negative slope here. So let me look up here real quick in comparison. So this line went up. Okay, the slope is positive. That's a positive number there. If I look down here, well, now it's negative, so it's going down. So instead of up 2 and over 7, I'm going to go down 2 and over 7. Down 2 and over 7. Okay, so down 2 and over 7. And these graphs that I made, I know they all have a length, or they're all 7 by 7 grids. So when something says 7, I just go to the edge when I need to count 7. Okay, so there is my line. I went up 4 and put a point, and then down 2 and over 7 because it was negative. And just a little note here is that negative, well, let me put it right up here. Well, if you look at that line in the N, that's a negative slope. It's going down from left to right. So that's one thing you can do. So if you look at a line that's negative and you can make an N out of it. There you go. So I just made an N out of my negative slope. Oh, and that's something you can't do with a positive slope. If I look up here, if I try to make an N out of it, it'll just look silly and backwards. It doesn't work. So that's a little hint you can use to, if you have a negative number in front of your x, that, oh yeah, this is going to go down over time. Go ahead and try number 5 and number 6.